For changing the moss stick, you just have to open the strings first. Take a pair of scissors or a cutter, and with the help of that you cut the strings to free the vine of money plant or pothos. This is a golden pothos, and the strings are being cut here. As you can make out, I am working in my kitchen because kitchen is the coolest place right now and it's easy to work here. So if it is very hot outside, you can bring your single plants to the kitchen and do the needful. These golden pothos vines have become very long and they have to be trimmed also, and this plant has to be given a new moss stick. This is the new moss stick I have bought from the market, and I have placed it inside the pot. The pot is ceramic pot, and this is jute string. We have to take the size first of the jute string, cut it, and we can make it thinner by separating the strings, the thin strings. In one string you will find 3 kinds of very thin strings inside that. So I do that so that it doesn't show much. Now we have to tie the strings to the money plant. This has to be sticked properly on the moss stick. We have to notice the root system in the plant, and those roots should be attached to the moss stick properly, and wherever the roots are, there only we have to tie the strings. You see the roots here? Roots are very proper and healthy roots, so here only one string has to be tied to the moss stick so that the plant gets a further chance to improve its foliage, to spread its strings here and there. So at 3-4 places I have tied the strings, and that's how we change the moss stick.